Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in daily weather briefing. So, cold wave to severe cold wave conditions and dense to very dense fog conditions are likely to reduce from 18th of January, and also the cold wave to severe cold wave conditions are likely to reduce from 18th or 19th of January. So if first of all we look into the observed fog conditions, so dense to very dense fog has been observed over Punjab and Haryana, and also dense fog and very dense fog in isolated places have been observed over UP, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh. Whereas over Punjab and Haryana it has been observed at many places, but the intensity of dense fog, although was similar to yesterday, but the duration today was very lesser compared to yesterday. And yesterday, if we remind, then the dense fog conditions were extending right from Amritsar and going up to Dibrugarh of Assam, including all the stations in between, from Amritsar to Patiala, Ambala, Chandigarh. And then even Palam had reported very dense fog conditions for a very long duration yesterday. And then through UP, the stations Lucknow, Bahraich and Prayagraj, and then Varanasi, and then Purnia of Bihar, and then up to Tezpur and Dibrugarh of Assam. All stations were reporting 0 meter visibility yesterday, but today it was very less compared to yesterday's intensity. Although the very dense fog remained for a few hours, from 1 to 3 hours it remained over these regions. So if we talk about its forecast for next 2 to 3 days, so dense fog condition, dense to very dense fog conditions is likely to continue in the morning of tomorrow as well as in the morning of 17th of January, and from 18th of January it is likely to reduce a little, and from 19th of January we are expecting only dense fog conditions over the plains of North India. Then if we talk about cold day conditions, so similarly cold day to severe cold day conditions were observed yesterday as well, and it was at many parts over Punjab and Haryana, and also over some parts of UP. Today again we are expecting its persistence over Punjab, Haryana, UP and Bihar for today as well as for tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, as we are expecting setting in of lower level easterlies over plains of North India. So we are not expecting any cold day conditions over Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, and although over Punjab and Haryana it would be there, but with lesser intensity, and thereafter no cold day conditions. And if we talk about cold wave conditions, so minimum temperatures, as we can see today, the minimum temperatures were observed. The lowest minimum temperature was observed over Ludhiana of Punjab with 1 degree centigrade, and except this, many other stations reported very less temperatures, like Safdarjung and Lodi Road of Delhi reported 3.3 and 3.1 degrees centigrade temperatures. Narnaul of Haryana reported 1.8 degrees centigrade temperature, and Churu of Rajasthan and Sikar of Rajasthan reported 2.9 and 3.0 degrees centigrade temperatures. So all these stations fell under the cold wave conditions today. So these cold wave to severe cold wave conditions are likely to be realized tomorrow morning as well, but thereafter it is likely to slightly reduce. But from 17th of January, as we are expecting setting in of lower level easterlies from Bay of Bengal, so we are expecting that the minimum temperatures would be slightly rising, and therefore the cold wave conditions would have very less intensity, and thereafter the cold wave conditions are likely to be abated from plains of northwest India. And as we are expecting a western disturbance to affect western Himalayan region from 16th night, so it would be causing isolated light rainfall and snowfall, but it would have no influence in terms of rainfall over the plains of northwest India, but it is likely to cause isolated light rainfall and snowfall over Jammu Kashmir, Gilgit Baltistan, Muzaffarabad and Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand on 16th night and 17th of January. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll again meet with the Delhi weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.